Thank you for giving me a chance to walk. We've got blue sky out there right now. Not much going on in terms of overall weather. Things may go downhill a little bit later on tonight in spots for a stray rain and or wet snow shower. But going back to the clock again, we lose that hour sleep. We go from 2 to 3 a.m. What it means basically is your new sunrise time is going to be later at 7:16 starting on Sunday, into Monday, I should say. New sunset is 6:56. So the bottom line here is we start to get basically lighter eventually sooner and darker later. We gain light on both ends, so don't get so depressed about the fact that it's going to be dark earlier. Reminder also, change batteries in the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors as well. Good idea. 15 Caldwell, 51 Newark, 49 City. Pretty much everybody upper 40s to around 50. Still seeing current winds 20 to 25 miles an hour on average. In and close to the city and the boroughs, still seeing gusts close to 40 miles per hour. So the wind not done yet. It will settle down later on tonight as the clouds start to roll on in, generally averaging about 15 to 20 miles per hour, but it may ramp up again to a 30, 35 mile per hour gust range tomorrow afternoon. And with things pretty dry, there is a higher risk for fire spreading, so be extra careful tomorrow. Meantime, clear now, but clouds are gaining on us from the west ahead of this pretty weak looking system. It's got some rain and snow associated with it. Probably going to be too warm for most of us to see any snow showers, but we may see rain showers, maybe mixed with a wet snowflake or two in spots. You can see on future casts through the evening we're dry. Right after midnight, we start to see a little bit of that activity breaking out. Looks like the emphasis will tend to be city on south into central New Jersey. A sprinkle or wet snowflake early tomorrow morning in spots. I think that's even overdone at that. Just clouds will give way to increasing amounts of sunshine tomorrow. But it's breezy, and it's still on the chilly side. Temperatures mid and upper 40 should do it in the afternoon. So here goes that quick moving system. Overnight tonight, out of here tomorrow. Weekend's going to be quiet and dry. We'll see sunshine. A few clouds get mixed into the picture on Sunday. And that, again, will be accompanied by a slight bump up in the temperature. 38 tonight, a rain or snow shower in spots, mainly south after midnight, heading out this evening. No worries, no umbrellas needed. 46 becoming sunny tomorrow. Again, breezy in the afternoon. But we saved the good stuff for next week, actually. 58 by Monday, 63, maybe even a little warmer in spots on Tuesday. Still close to 60. Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Next chance of any showers maybe later Thursday.